calling all explorers, curious minds, and admirers of the wild. Welcome to my channel, your trailhead into the wonders of the natural world. Together, we'll uncover hidden secrets, meet incredible creatures, and dive into the stories that make our planet so extraordinary. Ready to explore? Wait until end. They are the global symbol of conservation, the masters of viral cuteness, and one of evolution's most puzzling creations. This is an animal that sleeps all day, can barely reproduce, and has a diet that would starve any other bear. So, why does the giant panda even exist? First, let's settle the debate. Is a panda even a bear? For a long time, scientists weren't sure. But modern genetic testing confirms it. Yes, the giant panda is a true bear, member of the family Ursidae. Their closest relative? The spectacled bear of South America. They split from other bears millions of years ago and took a path so weird, it almost didn't work. To eat bamboo all day, you need a good grip. And pandas have a secret weapon, a sixth finger. Well, not quite. It's actually an enlarged wrist bone called a radial sesamoid that acts like a thumb, allowing them to grip bamboo stalks with incredible precision. It's one of the most famous examples of evolution in action. But here's the paradox. Their gut is still the gut of a carnivore. It's designed to digest meat, not tough, fibrous bamboo. They absorb less than 20% of the nutrients from it. That's why they have to eat, constantly. Up to 30 pounds of bamboo a day, they are essentially always eating, just to stay alive. It's the least efficient diet in the animal kingdom. And if their diet wasn't a big enough challenge, reproduction is even harder. A newborn panda cub is about 1/900th the size of its mother, one of the smallest newborn-to-mother ratios of any mammal. They are born incredibly underdeveloped, blind, and completely helpless. This is why panda breeding programs are so difficult and why every birth is a huge celebration. It's not that they aren't interested in mating, it's that the survival odds for their young are so astronomically low that nature had to make them have multiple babies to hopefully have one survive. So, are pandas bad at being bears? No. They're actually incredibly specialized. They found a niche with no competition, an endless supply of bamboo, and evolved bizarre, unique adaptations to exploit it. Their clumsiness? That's just energy conservation. Every movement saved is energy for digesting. They are a walking contradiction, a carnivore that eats like a herbivore, a bear that looks like a cuddly toy, and an animal so fragile, yet so resilient that it became the symbol of hope for all endangered species. paradox should we explore next? Let me know in the comments below. If you learned something new, hit the like button and subscribe to follow our journey into the natural world. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. What other animal paradox should we explore next? Let me know in the comments below. If you learned something new, hit the like button and subscribe to follow our journey into the natural world. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.